Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion from May 8th to 22nd. Sorry about yesterday. The video was screwed up and had technical problems, and only half or part was edible, so was able to be edited. So I figure scrap it. But it's pretty much the same as today, so I'll get to it. This is for the period from May 8th to the 12th. Over the next 10 days, you can see we have a strong negative EPO combined with a moderately strong negative NAO. And these will lead to a high latitude blocking, forcing the storm track further south. The phase of the QBO is contributing to this overall pattern, leading to cooler than normal temperatures in the east. The NAO is forecast to shift positive towards the middle of May, indicating that possibly the blocking will be weakening, allowing for some milder air, as the EPO will remain negative, and this should allow for milder air masses into the east from time to time during the second half of May. Okay, we're going to get to the pattern now. This is for that's for something else. This is for May 8th to 12th. And the pattern remains amplified. You can see here we have a trough here, or an upper low south of the Aleutians. We have above normal heights with a ridge over western North America. And we have a trough over eastern North America with above normal heights near Greenland. Here's the blocking. So the models are good agreement. Now, during this period, the region of the west will cause temperatures to be near our record breaking heat over the southwest into California through Friday, before shifting further north. And the temperatures are forecast to be about 10 to 20 degrees above normal in some areas. And temperatures in the east will be below normal, especially from the Great Lakes into the northeast, where temperatures will be about 10 to 20 degrees below normal. Okay, now getting to the forecast here, there will be a system that will be tracking from the plains. You can see right down here. And this will track from the east on Friday and to the east coast on Saturday, spreading precipitation in its path. And you see here, now this is the GFS. Now, it's showing like here's a we're going to get back to here. Here's the 540 line going right through, let me see where it is. Oh no, yeah, this is the 540 line going right through northern New Jersey. And then we get to Saturday morning, the 540 line is down here towards the Carolinas. This is showing snow. Now we'll look at the upper air for this system, and we're going to go to Friday, and you can notice where the 0 degree line is to the north. This is the 0 degree line here. This is, oh, that's GFS. This is the European, the 540 line. The 0 line keeps jumping around. I'm sorry about that. Here's the 540 line down through southern New Jersey into the lower part of the mid-Atlantic. And then we go to Saturday, and notice where the 0 degree line, the freezing line Celsius, is through northern New Jersey or north central New Jersey. And then we go to 8 a.m. on Saturday, the 0 degree line shifts way down here to the south. Now that's the GFS, but if you look at the European, this is European. It has a 540 line further to the north, inland across the mid-Atlantic and the northeast, meaning this will be rain here along the coast and along the I-95, and snow inland. And then we look at the upper air for the European. Go to Friday, the freezing line aloft is here. This is what we look at to see if it'll be a changeover or anything. But here's the 0 line here going right through central Jersey, and then we go to Friday 8 p.m. it shifts further to the north, and then we go to Saturday. Then it shifts. It's in agreement with the GFS. So there's a lot to look at here, and just a couple days away. But probably I would say it rain along the coast, snow further inland. Now, talking about the next system, we will have a next system here sinking southeast from Canada, kind of like a clipper system, and this will move across the Midwest and bring rain to much of the Mid-Atlantic and Northeast, because notice with a 540 line, again, the GFS has a 540 line right through here. This would be snow. And then we look at the European 540 line is to the south, or right through central northern New Jersey. So again, this has to be watched. So there's a lot of cool, a lot of cold weather and a lot of active weather in the east. Now, getting back to the other weather across the nation, there would be a weakness across the Gulf Coast, and you can see a low develops in the Gulf of Mexico, and this might cause heavy rain and storms along the Gulf Coast as we go through the weekend, especially across Florida. Okay, we're going to look now for the period May 13th to 17th. The pattern remains amplified, trough over the eastern Pacific, ridge across western North America, and we have a trough over eastern North America, ridge remaining across Greenland, miles of good agreement. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees above normal, below normal temperatures are forecast here, and with the anomalies 4 to 8 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here, and for the portion of the southwest, then it goes in northeastward or northern or northward into the middle and lower Mississippi Valley, into the Mississippi Valley region, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Then we have below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35%. Kind of rushing here because I'm going to get cut off probably. Now looking at the period for, whoops, that's my forecast. Looking for the period for May 18th to 22nd. The pattern kind of flattens out here with near to above normal heights across much of the nation. So overall, the pattern looks the same. We still have our upper low or trough here to the north. The positive height anomalies shift to the west. Here's our trough out here by the Aleutians. So for this forecast period, still forecasting above normal temperatures here. Forecasted anomalies be near 8 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures forecast here, with the anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for this region and much of this area here. Probability of occurrence is 35%. And then we have above normal precipitation, below normal precipitation for this region, and the probability of occurrence is 35%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for May 8th to 22nd. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.